how to perform an at-home lab test. So you've ordered a lab test, or maybe one has been requested of you. Your lab test is going to come in a white, discreet box, and then inside your box will be this blue box. I want to make sure that you don't do this urine test until you are ready to go to the bathroom and send it in the mail. Also, I want to remind you that making sure that your sample is labeled is highly important, as it will definitely make sure that it gets processed in time and you get results that you need to have treatment. If you don't do this, it has to be subject to rejection and no refund because your sample was not properly labeled. Properly labeled means you have your name, your date of birth, and collection time on the test tube. So to do this, you'll open your Castile soap and you're going to want to wipe from front to back. That will go in the trash. You will open your collection tube. Make sure you start going to the restroom first and then place your collection tube so that you get what we call a clean catch. Once you've completed, you're going to replace the lid firmly, take off the white sticker that is on top, place your test tube in the center. This will fill. Once it is full, take it off. This you can pour back into the toilet and discard. Place your test tube inside of the biohazard bag and place all of this inside of your white bag. That's all there is to it. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us through your patient portal. We are more than happy to help you.